Right, let's jump in. Again, like I said, similar principle, but this time what's limited are these kilograms, your material. But we go through the same process again. Let's see if they've given us a document to work with. Oh, no, they haven't. So they just tell us to basically go out there and find contribution first. Remember, this is in the short term, so we don't consider any fixed costs. They tell us what's in short supply. If they didn't, you would have to work that out yourself by just asking if the material available can cover the demand. So what do I have in front of me? I have selling price of 50, and where are my variables? Here are my variables all given to me. In fact, they give you the total variable cost. So I can tell you straight away that the contribution of A is 50 minus 25. So my contribution of A is 25. My contribution of B is 60 minus 25, and that's 35. Yes, that's 35. The question then becomes, well, I need, this says £5 per kilogram, and you're paying 15, so you need 3 kilograms, don't you? 5 times 3. And here you need 4 kilograms. So the question here is that in A, sorry, actually, I think they give me some help here. Okay, great. When I say help in terms of layout, so that's 25, that's 35, that's 3 kilograms, and that's 4 kilograms. So I can sort of find, right, who's giving me the best contribution per kilogram. So 25 divided by 3, 25 divided by 3 is 8.33. So we have 8.33 kilograms. Sorry, 8.33 pounds. 8.33 pounds per kilogram. And then we have 35 divided by 4 is 8.75 per kilogram. Right, that's kind of an option. So because I have B should be made first, and then first and A should be made second. That's kind of the premise. Now, well, the simple question here is if I'm making B first, no problem. B requires 4 kilograms per unit. I'm making 1,800, so therefore I will just give myself some space over here. So therefore I will use 4 kilograms on 1,800 units to fulfill that, and that is a total of 4 times 1,800, which is 7,200. So you will utilize 7,200 kilograms out of your 12,000. So that means if I've used 7,200 of my 12,000, how many do I have left? Minus 12,000 means I have 4,800 kilograms left. So I have 4,800 kilograms left to make A. Remember that I need 3 kilograms each to make A. So if I have a total of 4,800 kilograms left and I need 3 kilograms to make A, it means that I can only make 4,800 divided by 3, which is 1,600 kilograms. So my optimal point, let's see if they give me space to write this here, is 1,600 units here, and I can make all my units here, which was 1,800 units, wasn't it? Yes, I think it was 1,008 units. So my total contribution, therefore, from A would be 1,600, 1,000 times 25, and this is 1,800 times 35. Let's just do that. 1,600 times 25 is 40,000 here. This is 40,000. And here, 1,800 times 35 here is 63,000. And that's kind of the first step there. Right. So then it goes on to tell us that we've got another supplier who wants to give us 500 kilograms. The point here is that in order to complete the production of A, remember we have we have 400 units of A outstanding technically. We've only done 1,600. We basically would like to complete 400 units of A, and for that we really need 1,200 kilograms. But someone is willing to at least give us some more kilograms so we've got 500 kilograms. Now here's the thing: on every single unit that we make right now, we're making a contribution of 25 pounds right now. So and that's because this is our current system. We currently have a system of 50 minus 50 minus 25, aren't we? That's 50 minus 25. Now, we have the opportunity to buy some more material, but instead of it being £5 a kilogram, it's going to be £6 a kilogram. And technically, I mean, just thinking about it, if I just changed for these extra units, £6 per kilogram, and I need three, so the in here, this 25, remember, is made up of 5 times 3, and then £10. The labor cost was £10. Imagine I change that to 6 times 3. That would be 18, and that would be 10. Imagine I increase the cost. So if you think about it, I'm still making a contribution. So this becomes 28. So 50 minus 28 becomes 23. But it's still positive. It's still positive. So yeah, I mean, the only time I'll say no is if these costs keep going up to the point where literally I need the costs, either labor and materials, to be £25. It has to be the point where it literally wipes out my contribution. So as long as the product is still giving you a positive contribution, take it, take the hit, and yes, go on, accept the material, because you're still getting a positive, much high positive contribution. You're actually quite lucky to get it for that amount. Okay, great stuff. So yes, accept the product. And I believe this looks, um, yeah, exactly the same process here. So literally exactly the same thing. So power through. That should help you from. Yeah. Okay. Good stuff.